So welcome everyone. This is our first webinar for the year with Johnny talking about his experience and journey with the Syncardia Total Artificial Heart. Um, so in case you don't know, the Heart Hackathon is a student global competition on designing a total artificial heart, aiming to nurture the next generation of cardiovascular innovation. And since November, when we held our closing event, we've had quite a lot of updates. We now have a new team from Thailand. So now we have 10 university teams competing around the world with more than 200 students currently actively involved. We've officially integrated with the ISMCS, and we now have this new email address that we'll start using. We did a big overhaul on our website and now have a calendar where you can have organized meetings with the organizing committee. Something that we're about to roll out is an advisor system where participating teams will have the ability to book a 30-minute session with an advisor every month, where they'll be given a template to give sort of the information what they're struggling with, where they're at, and then they can pick the various advisors that are available and book in a meeting with them to discuss issues. So we'll be sending out further emails about how participating teams can utilize this new system. And we're also looking out for more advisors. If you're interested, you can email us. Something external to us, the team lead last year of the Bath University team that won the competition is doing a research project on investigating the educational benefits of university engineering competitions like this one here. And it would be amazing if teams, sponsors, advisors could fill in this survey because we're very interested in these results. In the near future, the three events that we have planned upcoming are a private event with autonomy for participating teams to onboard them on the V-Patient software that they can use for free during this competition. And we have two workshops, one with Real Heart and one with Syncardia on mock circulation loop and clinical trials and regulations. But to help us tailor when best the workshop should run and also what exact content within these broad topics should be covered. If you could also fill in that survey, that would be greatly appreciated. In terms of key dates for the competition, the one that's upcoming is the preliminary report submission at the 1st of April. And then we have a overall total artificial heart symposium where competing teams will showcase their progress so far. And that will be in the week of the 22nd of April. So just going over these two more sooner deadlines. For the preliminary report, we have a new template based on feedback from the teams and our advisors, which is now available on our website. And the way this is going to work this time around is that each of these four sections is going to be individually assessed by a marker. So the idea is that each section needs to be kind of like a standalone interpretable section by itself with these sort of word limits and mark breakdowns. And each marker has a confidentiality agreement. For the Total Artificial Heart Symposium, this time round to give an opportunity for teams to have a longer time to present and also to deal with the various time zones occurring. We've split it up into two parts this time round, where the first part is more Europe and Africa time zone for them participating teams, and then this one is the Americas and Asia Pacific teams. And each event is going to run for about an hour. Each team has about 7.5 minutes to present and 2.5 minutes for questions and answers.